Welcome to Nevermore. Wednesday and Enid want to give their home a major glow-up. Time to leave this dump, and here is their starry paycheck. Enid is over the moon about this house.
Look, Wednesday, this house is gorgeous. 10 out of 10.
Looks like Wednesday has her own wild plans, and Enid is so not loving them. Oh, goodbye, dream house. Uh-oh, looks like the housewarming party is canceled. Or maybe not. Let's hope Miss Addams knows what she's doing. We need lots of space. Of course, we'll start with the entryway, brick by brick. Now let's split it evenly after all. They're both the stars here. At least, that's what Enid thinks.
Hey!
On Enid's side, everything's cheerful as always. Bright lights, a cozy fireplace, pop art paintings, loud and colorful, just the way our girl likes it. Meanwhile, Wednesday prefers stuffed dragons, scuba diver mannequins. Okay, fine, it's just a diving suit. Girls, check it out. Oh, and let's not forget those antique statues. Let's keep building faster, faster. Our little stars need some new wheels. And hey, times are tough, so they need a proper garage. Packed with everything. Winter tires, summer tires, and even a few motorbikes for that thrill factor. Wednesday hates long, boring car rides, so she's getting a hearse. And Enid? She's all about that Mini Cooper life. No surprise there. Saddle up, girls. Full tummies, happy stars. Here's where our talented gals will dine. I bet you can already tell whose side is whose. Time to load up that fridge. A few flowers for a cozy vibe, and a long table for all the yummy treats. Let there be light. Make yourselves comfy, ladies. Enid even has her own private chef to whip up gluten-free, dairy-free delights. Wednesday? Yawn. She doesn't need a chef, she needs Lurch. He grills meat like a pro. Don't ask what kind, better keep it a mystery. Dinner is served. Next up, the wardrobe. Step behind the scenes. Don't be shy. Come on in. Here are Wednesday and Enid's vanity tables. Oh, Addams never disappoints. All bones and gloom. Meanwhile, Enid's corner is bursting with hair products and outfits. So many colors it makes your eyes spin. The final touches are in, and it's time for our stars to check it out. Of course, Enid dives right in to switch up her style. Whoa, glitter, glam, slay, total diva vibes. What's this corner for? Oh yeah, celebs have to stay fit and keep shining. This is the perfect spot for a gym. Weights, dumbbells, a boombox for fun workouts, and an icy water cooler. Machines for every taste. Whoa, looks like Miss Addams is smashing out some stress. Well, if it works, it works. Enid, time for your aerobic zone. You girls love this house already, huh? But what's next? Stick around, we're heading to the bathroom. Everything's high-tech and customized for Wednesday and Enid. Pure wow factor. It's too dark in the shower. Much better. All right, first floor done. To keep out hides and every other creepy crawler, except for the girls' relatives, we're wrapping the place in thick walls. Voila! Here's the staircase to the second floor we're heading up soon. Laying the floors, and here comes the first room. Hobbies are a must, especially if you're a natural. So here's Wednesday's archery hall. Medieval thrills are her jam. Let's add a cuckoo clock for the vibe. Cuckoo, cuckoo, how long will I live? Silent. Oh, and there's the Addams Family armory. No, that's not dirt, that's Fluffy, Wednesday's pet tarantula. This rug will fit perfectly here. No animals harmed, it's made from clay bear hide. Roll it flat, cut out the shape, trim the edges. Add some fuzzy lines. So relaxing. And now the face. Adorable. Don't forget the claws. Perfect fit. Nailed it! Wednesday hates stairs, so not glam. She's already bossing Lurch around to install an elevator. Poor guy's joints. But hey, he can't say no. Elevator coming up. Ah, that's more like it. Lurch, you multitasking legend. And not too chatty. Wonderful. The elevator works and no tired feet. Welcome to the second floor. Oh no, we almost forgot about Enid. And here she is. Come on in, miss. Time to build something really special. Enid loves having fun, so we will build her a whole playroom. Let's get to work. Enid is a true computer geek. She got herself a brand new console. We are making a TV with a Fortnite scene, a few cozy beanbags for the chill zone, arcade machines in every color and style. Basically, everything a young gamer needs to have fun. And do not forget about powerful speakers. What do you say, Enid? Too much to take in? Totally get it. Wednesday loves fun too, and her favorite way to have fun is by experimenting. This will be a real science lab. Connecting the sensors. Oh, and her second favorite pastime, medieval torture. Do not forget to add soundproofing thicker walls, please.
Ding dong, pizza!
Poor guy should not have taken that order. Wednesday, what are you doing to that poor minion? The experiment went a little out of control. Oh wait, that is sweet you just wanted to share with your friend. Enid is thrilled with the surprise. Pizza is the perfect movie snack. We need a home theater, quick. A little lighting along the way so nobody gets lost going to their seats. Whoa, what a giant screen. Take your seats, no tickets needed. Enjoy the show. Now let's glass up the second floor, reinforce the walls, and get ready to level up even higher. Perfect. Time to go up to the third floor. Lay the foundation, and now add a touch of nostalgia. Always remember where it all began. This is where you two first met, girls. Ready for the next upgrade? Yes, this is the perfect spot for a terrace. Plant some trees and bushes so even on the hottest summer day, there will be plenty of shade. And now add some lounge chairs, because Netflix stars need a flawless summer tan. You know what this terrace really needs? A huge pool. Add a waterfall and fill it up quick. It is getting hot out here. Oh, I just want to dive right in, but there is still so much to do. You girls relax and enjoy. A housewarming party has to be loud. Why not build your very own club? Right next to the dance floor, we are setting up a stage for Nevermore's top DJs. 10 out of 10. Check the sound. Whoa, those speakers have some serious bass. And what is a club without a bar? Here, guests can grab cool drinks and yummy snacks, whatever their hearts desire. There will be plenty of space for everyone to hang out. Now add some fancy antique columns. This is the style our girls picked for the club. So chic, a club for two goddesses straight down from Mount Olympus. Almost done. Wait, what is that? A real roller coaster. Any thrill seekers out there? This is definitely Wednesday's idea. She loves testing her luck like this. And right in the middle of the ride, add a hot air balloon just in case a regular coaster is not wild enough. Ready for a test run? Start it up. Whoa, I would love to ride this one. Yippee! Faster than the wind. Judging by their screams, someone is going to wake up without a voice tomorrow. Okay, we will leave them to it. Now let's move over to the other wing. And this lovely green space will be used for a graveyard. Yes, you heard that right. It feels like being surrounded by family without anyone asking when you will get married. Look at those cute little spiders. And here is the family crypt. Yep, a chilling Addams Family style zone. Silence, peace, total relax vibes. Alright, it looks like Wednesday had enough of the quiet time to stretch those bones. And not just hers, everyone's. I get it, this song is impossible to resist. TikTok was full of it. And 1, and 2, and 3. The grand finale, a helipad. No dream mansion is complete without one. Install it on top. And here come the first guests already. Who is it? Mom? Dad? Whoa, everyone is here. And now our headliner is here to hype up the crowd. Hands up, Nevermore! Ballerina Cappuccina is graceful and full of energy as always. Wow, our girls changed their outfits. Yes, tonight you two are absolutely the queens of this party. This night will be unforgettable. Another perfect day for Wednesday and Enid's amazing friendship. Listen to the crowd.
Wednesday, Enid.
And now we need a drone to film this giant mansion. Whoa, just look at that view. We worked so hard today, friends. Subscribe to the channel, hit like, and do not miss more adventures with Wednesday and Enid in Lego City. Bye, everyone.